Welcome to the fourth clip in this video tutorial. We would like to now subdivide the third and last section of our audio chapter file. Luckily enough, we already have the demarcation which indicates the beginning of this last section, and it is going to be fairly easy for us to locate the end because we can already see it, since the full file is displayed on our screen. So to start, we will zoom into the end of the file just to make sure that we are selecting from the end and not including any unnecessary silence. So using Control and my mouse wheel, I zoom. This time you notice that there is something I'm not seeing. So for me to go all the way to the end of the file, I'm going to use this bar over here to drag. So this helps us drag. When we have zoomed, it helps us drag the whole file up and down. So now I have dragged it to the very end. I would like to place my black position marker at the end of the audio here. I will not include this silence. Now that I've positioned my black position marker at the end of the audio, I can now zoom out to see the full file using Control F. Like we previously did, make sure that your hand is on the left side of the black marker before you begin using the left mouse button to drag your selection. So I drag my selection till I see my yellow demarcation marker, and then I release. As I said previously, be careful to only release when you are at the yellow demarcation marker. If you make a mistake, you will have to go back and start again. Now that we have made the selection successfully, we are going to label it using Control B. I will now write the file name as we have previously done. So in this case, it will be John 1 from verse 35 to verse 51. And then I hit enter. And we have successfully been able to label the 3 different subdivisions of this chapter file. This labeling is going to enable Audacity to split them up into their smaller chapter, smaller subdivisions as individual files that we can use separately in our scripture engagement. This is what we will look at in our next clip.